Hello guys, Eric here with Avant-Garde and 911R. We're in our 1954 Ford F100 pickup truck. When the car came in, we had one cylinder that was a little light on compression. We redid that this morning. We've driven the car maybe 15 miles or so since it's been here. We've started it, moved it around in our shop multiple times in that period of time. I was a little uncomfortable with that low compression. I had our technicians check it out. This morning, I can tell you that the compression was even across all the cylinders, or well within the allowable percentages. I've posted those photos already. We also bore scoped that cylinder. We look for any kind of scoring in the cylinder walls or anything around the valves, and it's very clean, very tidy. So I do not think that there's anything else really we need to dive in and correct with that. But I just want to go for a little drive. Take another look at all the photos, the sheer amount of money that was spent, all the decisions that need to be made on this car to put it together and to finish it up. No one was sparing any dollars in those decisions. This car is very nicely done. It's clearly had very little or very few miles since completion.